everyone, it's Willy. Welcome or welcome back to my channel where I test in affordable beauty products or drugstore beauty products, and today's video is going to be easy, simple makeup look for beginner, and of course yes, I'm using affordable beauty products. If you guys would like to know how I create this look, please keep on watching. I already primed my eyes using Too Faced Shadow Insurance and also curl my lashes using Two Shadow Collage. And for my waterline, I'm using the eyeliner pencil in black. If you think it's too strong, you could use soft brow or brow color instead. And today I'm going to use these eyeshadow palette from Makeup Revolution, so collab with Revolution in Extra Spice. And the first color that I'm going to use for all my eyelids is going to be this color called Everyday. So yes, I'm going to use my finger, put it on my eyelids like that. I think it should zoom into you. Alright, there you go, you will see everything in my face, and could you please ignore that because I don't know what happened to me. I think recently I'm a little bit stressed, that's why. So yes, I'm going to use Everyday. I hope you can see Everyday shade all over my eyelids. And wow, I mean, look at that color, so good, I love it. And then another color that I'm going to use is going to be this one called Enchanted. I'm going to put this color like outer corner of my eyes like that, just a little bit, blend it out like that. You don't have to be perfect in this step, it's just like put it in outer corner of your eyes. And then I'm going to just blend everything together. This brush I didn't put any color, so I just blend, like I said, blend every color together. So I'm going to put a little bit of brow in my crease. I'm going to use this shade and this one, which is like orange tone and brown, so it's called Sweet and Sour and Chocolate Orange. Just mix it together. And today I'm not going to use any eyeliner, so I'm going to do like a soft brow liner. So I'm using this color called Brownies, just like draw like an eyeliner. And this is my eye makeup look, really easy, simple for beginners. So my mascara I'm using Revlon Ultimate All-in-One, which is this one, and also I'm using L'Oreal Large Paradise as well. For my face, I'm going to start with Maybelline Fit Me foundation and also follow with Maybelline Loose Finish Powder. I'm going to add some more coverage because I need some more coverage, and I'm going to use Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and look at that and that. They are not going to go anywhere. I'm going to finish my eyebrow off camera because I didn't have anything new, so I'm going to use Anastasia Beverly Hills Duo Brow Powder and follow with this collection incrediBROW Tinted Brow Mascara. For contour and highlight, I'm going to use Makeup Revolution Roxy palette, and for my brush, I'm going to use L'Oreal La Beauty brush, and I will be right back. The last step will be my lips, and I'm going to use L'Oreal Signature Ink in number 135. And this is my easy, simple makeup look for beginner using affordable beauty products. Again, if you have any affordable beauty products that you love, you could tell me in the comments and I will pick one of your favorite products and create a video. Thank you so much for watching and see you next video. Bye!